Hi, this is Cambridge in 5 minutes and I welcome you to this channel. Now if you're watching this right now, you're likely to be preparing for your upcoming IGCSE science exams. This channel of course is aimed to help you with just that. So here's the thing, how can you as an examinee achieve top grades in your upcoming exams? Well, there are 4 key steps and I like to call it SUMP for short. So the first things first, the syllabus. The golden document that lists out everything that you should know for your course. It is essentially your map to an A-star grade, so make sure you follow it. Secondly, understand the concepts. In the realm of science, small concepts act like bricks that get layered one by one. Solidify your conceptual groundwork and make your way up to the top. Eventually, you can create a stable tower of knowledge. Unfortunately, too many people make the mistake of skipping this step entirely and head straight to the third, which is the step of memorization. I understand that there are a lot of information to absorb in your course. However, you should only start to memorize the information after you've covered step 2. A lack of conceptual understanding introduces gaps in your not-so-tower-like knowledge, and this will inevitably become very apparent in your exams. Lastly, but most importantly, you must practice. This means hours and hours of past papers. This is absolutely crucial if you want an A-star grade. Why? Well, first of all, repetition inevitably fortifies your knowledge of the study material. This reason alone justifies the importance of this step. But secondly, you become aware of the type of questions that generally get asked and the answers that the examiners will be looking for in your exam. Trust me, you are at a major disadvantage if you skip this step. So my simple goal on this channel is to directly assist you with step 2, the concepts. I do hope that you find my videos valuable for your learning and get the high grades that you deserve. Also, do check out my Patreon channel. There I offer assistance with specifically step 4 by going through past papers and explaining each of the answers one by one. So good luck to you all and I will see you in my other videos.